Alright guys, Justice James Sokoto of the Federal High Court in Abuja has adjourned the hearing of an application filed by the detained leader of the indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB Nnamdi, seeking his transfer from the Sokoto Correctional Center to custodial facility closer to the Federal Capital Territory FCT. The court fixed January 27, 2026 as the new date to hear the motion. Kanu, who filed the request through the Legal Aid Council, is asking to be moved from the Sokoto Custodial Center to either the Kuji Custodial Center in Abuja or the Kefi Custodial Center in Nasarawa State. According to his legal team, the relocation is necessary to enable him to effectively pursue his appeal and consult with his lawyers. In an alternative plea, Kanu requested to be transferred to any custodial facility within the country's jurisdictions, including Suleja in Niger State, citing the facility of managing his defense from Sokoto. However, Kanu's special counsel, Barrister Aloy Jumako, said that when the matter came up on Monday, Justice James Sokoto directed that the Correctional Service / prosecution be put on notice to all the faithfuls that have contacted me about Nnamdi Kanu's prison transfer hearing held today. Here is the fact. Ejimako wrote in a post on his ex, formerly Twitter, account after the court session. The hearing was postponed to 27th January 2026 as the judge directed that the Correctional Service / prosecution be put on notice. In November, Kanu was sentenced to life imprisonment on terrorism charges for declaring a sit-at-home order in the Southeast, which the court ruled was enforced through threats and violence. The court also gave him concurrent sentence of 20 years and 5 years on other counts. The court cited international concerns over capital punishment in deciding against the death penalty. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu government later transferred Kanu from the Department of State Service DSS facility in Abuja to a correctional center in Sokoto State. Kanu's trial attracted national and international attention, with critics alleging political interference. However, Kanu and his legal team have repeatedly objected to his continued detention in the Sokoto facility, arguing that the long distance hampers his ability to effectively pursue an appeal against the judgment. The court linked Kanu's sit-at-home order to the killing of the former presidential aide Ahmed Gulak and accused him of inciting violence through broadcast. Justice James Sokoto described Kanu as arrogant, cocky, and full of himself, adding that his rhetoric posed a serious threat to public safety. So, what happened today is that Kanu case have been moved from today, December 28th, to the January 27, 2026. I am still saying this thing, no. These people will do nothing about this Nnamdi Kanu's case. Maybe this is how they will continue, to push this matter. The best way to go is political solution. I'm still saying it. Anybody who thinks that this case is going to excel through appeal or whatever, this is a joke. You understand? And with what is happening right now, you will understand that they are just trying to frustrate the case. Yes, they are trying to frustrate the case. January 27, that is next year we are talking about. Maybe that January 27, they will still transfer it again. The man does not want to listen to that case again. He doesn't want to hear it. That is just what has just happened. Because if there is no underground work concerning this. This is what is going to be happening. So this is where the political solution comes in. So my people, now yeah, go drop your comments below the comment section. Share this video, make it go viral so that